Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right here, you're looking at our 10-inch meat slicer. Okay, so it's going to be a 10-inch. Now it is going to be certified by the health department. If you follow me over here to the back, you can locate a sticker with this unit where you can see more information. For example, your model, voltage, hertz, power, all that. Okay, so this is going to run on 110 volt standard US plug. Your plug's located on the side of the meat slicer. Okay, you also have a thickness adjuster located on the side. Okay, it is going to be a semi-automatic meat slicer. Okay, you also have a blade sharpener right on the top, and obviously you got your handle right here and other pieces that will be included for this meat slicer. Okay, so a cover that will go on top of the handle. You also will be provided with a manual, so if you have any questions, having trouble using it, all the information is going to be located right here. You can go ahead and take a look at the book. It'll all be here. Okay, so this is going to be a 10-inch semi-automatic meat slicer. If you're interested in one of these units, feel free to go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. All the information regarding this meat slicer is going to be on our website, including the price for this exact unit. Now, if you have any other questions or are interested, you can also give us a call and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.